we have already studied that India has two important island groups, large island groups in Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. There are two island groups of India. So these are the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and the Nicobar Island groups. Okay, these are the important island groups of our country. Lakshadweep Islands are very close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. Lakshadweep Islands are very close to the Malabar coast of Kerala, on the coastal region, from very not much far away from Kerala region. It's a group of islands composed of these are coral islands. Large corals can be found in the oceans. So earlier this island, Lakshadweep Island, was known as different names. There are different groups of smaller islands are found here. Lakadiv, Minikoi and Amindiv. These are the different groups of islands found in the Lakshadweep. Later in 1973, all these were together made as given the common name as Lakshadweep. All these smaller islands were combinedly known as Lakshadweep. It has a small area, only about 32 square kilometers. The total area is 32 square kilometers only. Kavaratti is the capital, that is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep, that is the capital of Lakshadweep. So here it has different varieties of flora and fauna. Many varieties of plants and animals are found in Lakshadweep. So different types of animals and plants are found here. The Piti Island is a small island. Here there is no human habitation, it is uninhabited, but it has a bird sanctuary, the Piti Island. Okay, now in the Bay of Bengal, there is another group of island which is known as the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. They are bigger in size and bigger than Lakshadweep. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are bigger than Lakshadweep, but there are number of islands are there scattered here and there, spread everywhere. Many small number of islands are there, but many are uninhabited. Many of these islands, the smaller islands, are uninhabited. We can find the entire group of islands is divided into two categories: Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. Two groups of islands. Andaman, that is also a group of islands. Andaman in the north and south Nicobar. It is believed that these islands are an elevated form because in the ocean there are mountains or submarine mountains are there in the ocean, and this is the highest part or the top part or the peak of the mountains. So this part which is found above the ocean is a part of the mountain only. Okay, so these groups are great importance for the country because there are great diversity of animals and plants are there. Different varieties of flora and fauna, different varieties of plants and animals are found here. Many group of tribal people also are found, completely different than other group of tribal people in our country. So there are particular tribal people of are found in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are completely different than our country's tribal groups. These island groups, Andaman and Nicobar Island groups, are very close to the equator also, equatorial regions. It extends south of our country. So these groups of islands are close to the equator, so that it has an equatorial type of climate. Because of this type of climate, we can find equatorial forests also. Large number of large areas covered with the equatorial forest region also. So these are the two types of island groups, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands.